Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to temporarily deactivate Instagram account. So the first thing you do is tap on your profile icon at the bottom, then tap on edit profile. At the bottom, tap on personal information settings, and then tap on account ownership and control. Tap on deactivation or deletion. Tap on the Instagram account you want to deactivate. You can see the first option, deactivate account. Now if you want to take away from Instagram, you can temporarily deactivate your account. Now you can only deactivate your account once a week, so it means that your profile will be hidden on Instagram until you reactivate it through account center or by logging into your Instagram account. If you still want to continue, tap on continue. Then for your security, you enter your password, and once you're through with that, tap on continue and then follow the prompt. It's as simple as that.